How often do you meet for coffee and conversation in your community about your community? That was made possible today when a neighbor invited his community out for coffee and conversation. That neighbor was Morgan State University's president, Dr. David Wilson. More than 100 people came out to the Morgan Community Miles Coffee and Conversation Talk with President David Wilson to chat and chew and learn a little bit more about the partnership between Baltimore residents, businesses, public officials, and Morgan's faculty and students.
Basically, it was my thought and Dr. Akers' thought that we would get more candid conversation going with the community, and they would be able to share with us many of the things that they want us to pay more attention to and to create some additional opportunities for partnering.
Concern and hope were on the faces of the residents and students as they asked questions about student safety.
Anything we can do to have something like that in the wee hours of the night, that way the students feel safer walking through campus.
Surrounding schools and universities' participation,
our students are interested in cleaning the stream that runs behind Morgan State University. Is there an initiative in place already to work on that? And if so, I want to make sure that our students are involved.
And the most active discussion of the night, what can they do to be more involved?
To what degree has the Morgan Mile thought about incorporating local Morgan Mile industry or businesses in providing some of the things that you need on an ongoing basis? How might we develop and cultivate those relationships where people start to feel ownership?
I feel like we're not just talking about things. I actually see things being done. I see buildings actually being built. I actually see how we're learning to work together. You know, my biggest problem right now is the trash in the community. And I'm very happy that because of this partnership with Morgan and the neighbors are learning to work better together.
I was absolutely shocked at the number of people who turned out tonight. They really, I think, came out because they know that we are honestly seeking their input and their opinion as we seek to make Northeast Baltimore a more attractive place to live.
This is Felicia Towns reporting from Baltimore, Maryland.